Your calendar is under control, your productivity skyrockets. Whether you're coordinating meetings, blocking out deep work time, or syncing with your team, using the right calendar app can save hours each week. Here are my top 5 calendar tools for smarter scheduling. At number 5 is Zoho Calendar. It's a clean, no-frills option that integrates well with the Zoho ecosystem. If you're already using Zoho for CRM or email, this calendar app keeps everything in one place and handles group scheduling with ease. Number 4 is Outlook Calendar. Especially for teams already using Microsoft 365, Outlook is powerful and deeply integrated with email and Teams. The shared calendar features are excellent for internal collaboration and managing team availability. At number 3 is Apple Calendar. It's simple, fast, and works seamlessly across all Apple devices. It's great for individuals or teams already in the Apple ecosystem with handy features like Siri integration and iCloud syncing. Coming in at number 2 is Google Calendar, a favorite for many thanks to smart suggestions, event integrations, and powerful sharing tools. It works beautifully with Gmail and Meet, making it ideal for both personal and business scheduling. And my number 1 pick, Calendly. While technically not a full calendar, Calendly connects to your calendar and automates meeting scheduling. You simply set your availability, share a link, and let others book time without the email back and forth. It's a game changer for anyone who handles meetings, interviews, or client calls regularly. Whether you're working solo or managing a team, these calendar tools help you stay organized, reduce scheduling headaches, and protect your most valuable resource, your time.